Apanasana is a lying down posture that's often used to help relax the muscles in the back or for core strengthening. It doesn't always work great for people with bigger bodies. I'd like to explain why and what we can do about it. So go ahead and move to a lying down position, and you're going to keep your knees bent. And maybe you can just watch this part. So normally the way that we practice Apanasana is we bring the knees up toward the chest really close. And then on inhale, you move your knees away. And on exhale, you bring your knees close. And so it's a sequence that goes, with this kind of movement. The problem is that when we have a bigger belly or bigger legs, they run into each other and our range of motion is restricted. So there's definitely adjustments that we can make to the posture to make it work better. I'm going to show you 3 options. The first one is you could actually take your knees out wider and bring your knees up toward like your shoulders or a little bit wider than your body, and then let the knees move away. So this is one option. Another thing you can do is you could do just one leg at a time. So you can say you're going to start on the left side and bring the knee up wider than the body and away and up and away, and then you can switch over and work on the right side. And then one more way that you can practice this, and this one is really beneficial if you're specifically working on strengthening, is rather than bringing the legs up toward your chest, you can extend the legs forward. And the way you would do that is on inhale, extend one leg away, and then you can bring the heel back in. And for extra resistance, if you want to, for extra strengthening, drag your heel in both directions. Or if you want to make it a little easier, just go ahead and lift your foot up and extend, and lift your foot up to bring it in. Regardless of which of these 2 methods you're doing, the dragging or the not dragging, do engage your abdominal muscles. And that really brings a lot of emphasis to the strengthening aspect of this movement. So hopefully these ideas give you some tips for how to practice Apanasana, depending on whether you're working on the relaxation version of it or the core strengthening version. If you have more questions about this posture, I'd love to hear from you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.